digital. So as I'm pulling, it's gonna reflect on my cell phone as well. So at the moment,
gauge.
yes, the gauge. So what I'm doing at the moment,
So the gauge is linked to your.
It syncs to the
it
phone.
syncs to my phone.
So you can read it on your phone.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm just connecting it to Bluetooth, and as you can see, it's working, and it's connecting. So it's the man 0719, right? So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna zero it on my phone. Can you hold this for me? Who wants to hold this?
Give it to somebody.
Yeah.
You can hold it. You can take it out.
And as I start applying a tension load, can you see the read? Just make sure that every now and then you touch the screen because yeah. So at the moment, what are you reading?
1.5, 1.6.
Yes, same thing I'm reading here. So for the HY200, the recommended load is 13.8. For the HY170, it's 13.5. And for the 8mm Plus, it's 7 kilonewtons.
Then we got at 20 because that's what we went to, or at 17, that's what we went to with all the others.
Yeah.
We get to your load and then
Yeah.
we'll go a little bit further.
Okay,
It's gone further.
so we've gone further now.
Now 15.3.
Okay.
17
Yeah, they were all
over.
19.
So around 19 now.
Okay, now we just want to see at what point it starts failing so you can see the concrete start cracking. Yeah, I want to see when it starts cracking concrete.
20. 21.
You won't break. What does this gauge go up to?
It goes up to 30.
Okay.
So I can only, the maximum
Yeah.
is 30.
I would stop at about 25, 26.
Without breaking the machine.
Yeah.
Okay. It's fine. What was the failure?
Wow.
I've got the. That was